Okay guys, here we go. The Can-Am Ryker Lovers UK August ride out, and we're heading over towards Barnard Castle in the northeast, heading towards Bowes Museum, so enjoy. Okay, so I've just filled up with fuel and we're going to go on our way to Starbucks in Concert and meet up with the rest of the guys. So I'm not sure how the audio is going to be. It's the first time I've used my microphone with my helmet, but hopefully you guys can hear me okay. We'll see how we go. To go, we're literally just around the corner here. I wonder if any of the guys are going to be there. It's looking like it's going to be a good turnout today. Going to be some good numbers. We might get 10-12 people by the looks of things. This should be pretty good for a Can-Am Ryker Lovers UK turnout. So here's Starbucks just here on the right. Looking quite busy this morning. Oh, there we go. There's 2, there's 3, there's 4, there's 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go, look at that. What a good turnout that is. Okay guys, so here we are at Starbucks in Concert in the northeast. Hopefully you guys can see we've got quite a good turnout. We've got a Riker Rally, we've got a Riker 900, we've got a Riker 900 Sport, we've got a Riker 900 Ace, Riker Rally, we've got a Riker 900 Ace with a shad bag, we've got my Riker 900, another Riker 900 Sport, and we've got a Spider. And I did see another green Spider kicking around somewhere. But yeah, the sun's shining. It looks like it's going to be a good day. So stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy the show. If you like what you've seen so far, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and we'll see you on the road. So here we are, about a quarter of the way in of the ride. The Can-Am Ryker Lovers UK ride out. We had a good turnout today. There's 10 of us in total. We left Starbucks in concert. So you can see behind me we've got quite a few. Thank you very much to Clive, our moderator. He was our ride organiser today. So yeah, if you like what you see and you're in the UK and you're close to the northeast or in the Midlands, why don't you think about having a jolly up and joining us on our next ride out at the end of September. I think it'll be our last one for the year, depending on the weather. Hi guys, so we've made it to Barnard Castle with a Can-Am Ryker Lovers UK group ride with Clive leading. Thanks very much Clive for getting us here safely. We're halfway through the ride. Everyone's made it here, all 10 riders. I think there's 14 people in total. So yeah, we've made a good day of it. The weather's stayed nice for us, thankfully. We're here at Bowes Museum. And we've managed to find ourselves a nice parking spot. Got a nice Spider F3. So guys, if you've liked what you've seen so far and you are in the UK and you are based near the northeast, why don't you consider coming along to our next ride out? It's well organised, it's not a race, it's a jolly good group of people. We're now going to go and grab a bite to eat and have a cup of coffee, and then we've got another hour stint this afternoon. And if you've liked what you've seen so far, please consider hitting that subscribe button and hitting that like button. They all help grow the channel. guys, that's the end of the ride. I've made it home. Unfortunately, the weather broke when we got to Walsingham. We did go through to Stanhope, 4 of us. Most of the people split off at Walsingham. We got to Walsingham, but overall it was a really successful ride. Clive organised a very good ride. We had a nice stop in Bowes Museum. We've got a nice group photo in front of the museum. I'll put that in the video. Yeah, ultimately very, very good, very well organised, a nice steady pace. So if you guys are on the cuff or not sure about joining us on one of our group rides, please come along. We're catered for everyone. It's not a race, it's a jolly. So hopefully you guys can watch the video, or you've watched the video and you've enjoyed what you've seen. Can-Am Ryker Lovers UK group rides happen every month throughout the year. We're planning on in 2026 doing exactly the same thing. We usually have a club meet at Barnard Bar and Grill on a bike night on a Monday, usually the week or 2 weeks before the group ride at the end of the month. So it'll be the last Saturday of every month, obviously in season. I think September this year, depending on the weather, maybe October, but September this year will be our last group ride for the club. With that in mind, if you've made it this far and you are a member of the Can-Am Ryker Lovers UK page, please consider, if you're not able to make it because we're too far north, creating a group ride in your own area. The group is for everybody, and what you put in, you will get out. I started this group with just myself, and I started the group rides with just 2 of us, and that grew to 3, that grew to 4, then it grew to 5, etc. and so on. It's taken a couple of years to be able to build that, but you have to start somewhere. So if anybody in the group is thinking of starting a group ride, just start. And if you need any advice or you want any help, please reach out to us. And if I am able, or want, or anybody in the northeast who's been organising the group rides is able to come down south or over the West Country, we will try our best to get over there and support you and help you do that. But for now, hope you've enjoyed the ride. Thanks very much for tuning in. Please hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and I'll catch you on the next one.